guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what we're going to be doing today is decorating my dining room for fall 2021. I cannot believe it, and I can't wait to show you my fall decor that I have planned for this room. Okay, first what I thought I would do is just show you what it looks like normally, not decorated for fall, and then we'll decorate for fall. I already have a few things out, like my tablecloth. I went ahead and put that on, and I went ahead and put those leaves around that light. I always do that for fall like that, and then for Christmas I do something else, and for Easter I do something else. But we have our storm shutters up because Tropical Storm Fred wasn't sure which way it was going to go. But we're in the clear today, we know that, but we weren't sure. So my husband went ahead and put them up, and we're just gonna leave them up until we see what Grace is doing, but I'm pretty sure we're safe with that one too. So let me go ahead and show you what this looks like before I decorate for fall, and then we'll start decorating. Okay, I'm trying not to film into the living room because I brought Mom down again. She's still not feeling very well, and she doesn't feel like being on camera. But this is a little, almost looks like a tool caddy that I made out of paint stir sticks. And I have a video on my channel showing how I did it, and I will link it in the description box below this video. I'll link everything that you might want to see. Now this right here is a plunger from the Dollar Tree. That's what I did with that. I love those Dollar Tree plungers. And then I made that little pottery there. I painted it and then put those little stickers on there. I think they're so pretty. And then I just put that floral in there. So that's how that looks all the time. And then if you come over here and ignore everything that's going on over in here, this is a separate project. But here is my other lantern that I said that I bought, that Lisa Robertson sold. She has a channel on QVC, and I bought this taller one as well as that wider one when I decorated my server. Then I made that cross. It's just Dollar Tree. And then I just have that little picture that I bought off of Amazon, but I don't think it's available any longer, and I just stuck lavender in there, okay? And then that came from Hobby Lobby, that little pedestal. Now this drink station, my husband made it for me. I spray painted, that's made out of conduit, and I told him what I wanted. And then this is just floor laminate that we put on there. And so I need to get a Swiffer and Swiffer this a little bit. Okay, let's start decorating. Okay, like I said, I already have my tablecloth down here. I picked up this tablecloth at Bed and Bath probably 2 years ago, and I got it and the napkins on a deep clearance, and I couldn't figure out why they were clearancing them, but they're gorgeous. I wanted something really dark and rusty brown. So, and then, but I didn't have the placemats. Well then, I think it was 2 years ago now, I found the placemats in the store, so I picked them up. So I'm just going to be laying these down, and I'll show you my light a little bit later. So excited for fall, okay? And this is my centerpiece. I'm so in love with this year. This is just the little basket that I picked up at Walmart during the summer this year. And they may still have them, I don't know. And I usually keep it on my server with that little hen in it. Well, I just went ahead and just got a bunch of my pumpkins that I have. Some are from Walmart. You'll see that kind of rust one and that one on top. Those are Dollar Tree pumpkins. Love it. And I just took a pick that I picked up at Walmart and just stuck it in here, and I think it's beautiful. Now I wished I had thought to put lights in it. I think it would be gorgeous. I may still do something, not sure. So let's go ahead and put this right down here. And it's good too because I can just pick it up and move it. Now, let's go get our plates. Okay, I'm going to be using these plates that I got on Amazon, and I'll link them in the description box below. They're a little pricey, I will tell you that, but you can use them as decor, or I am going to eat out of these all of fall. They're dishwasher and microwave safe, so I intend to enjoy these immensely, okay? But you get 4 of the plates, dinner plates, 4 salad plates, and 4 bowls, and I love them. So this is what I'm going to be putting right here. This is going, and you get 4 mugs, I almost forgot. Oh, I can't wait, I love it. Okay, and that is how that's looking. Let me move you in. Then these are the salad plates. Oh, I love these. I'm so into sunflowers this year. Put those right in the center. Who else is getting excited for fall? And then look at the mugs that come with them. Love it. Okay, now after I get all this decorated, I will take you down and show you what this looks like up close. Now let's start doing my drink station. Okay, now I'm just going to be taking this riser. It's wooden. It came a set of 2 that I picked up at Target's Dollar Spot last year. Okay, and I'm just going to put it, I think, that way. And then I have this. I have candles that I picked up off of Amazon in here. And this is a cloche. It's a set of 3, and I got them on Amazon. This is the medium size, and I love it. And I just made that little fall little piece of decor by cutting up Dollar Tree picks and those Walmart picks, and I love it. And the candles are on a timer. Looks so fall, I love it. And when the lights aren't on, you can see the glow of the candles. Okay, I'm going to take this Dollar Tree pick and just stick it right in that little slab, right down in there, and snug that right there. I think that's so cute. And then I have these 2 artichokes. I use them throughout the year all the time. I got those at Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to kind of put it right in here, just kind of haphazard. We'll see. I don't know. I might change that. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to take this lantern, and I cut off this greenery that came from Walmart. I've had it forever, and I just put it down in there, and I'm going to put it right here. And then I'm going to take this Dollar Tree candle holder. It's the black one, and this little pumpkin that I found at Walmart. They were $6.98. I got 2 of the orange and 1 of the cream. I think this is adorable. Look how adorable that is, okay? Next, I'm going to take this it was a Dollar Tree basket. It was pink. I painted it to make it look like wood, and then added this rope with my molds, and then took my Cricut and added Farmer's Market. So I'm going to put this down in here. I just have some apples, and I have some pumpkins that I've painted in the past, and then a thing of lettuce. Now I'm going to take this little cutting board that I got at Walmart this year. It was $4.98. I love it. They have two different types. And this little plate holder, okay? And I'm just going to put it right down in here in the center. Okay, now I just have this pumpkin. I picked it up at Michael's several years ago, and I just put some bling on it, the Totally Dazzled bling. I just glued it, and I think that gives such a beautiful look. And now I'm going to take these little sunflowers that I popped off and just stick it every so often. And I think I'm going to say we're finished, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, here is how it looks up close. I love that dinnerware. So it's elegant, but it's easy. It's kind of casual, relaxed fall. I love it. And then here is this. I just love how that looks. It's such a simple little centerpiece to make. I've had cornucopias that I made before and I love those, but this is just really simple to do and it looks very relaxed but elegant. Like I said, I may put lights in it, not sure. But I'm loving this. It's pretty from any angle. Love it. Okay, then here is this, and I'll give some shots with all these lights off, but I love this little thing. I've got little berries that look like they're peeking through, and some of the leaves actually are peeking through in the back, and I just took those Dollar Tree leaves, and those are actually, I think, Dollar Tree berries, I'm not sure, and just put that on there. But you can see, so pretty from any angle, and it just gives that warm, beautiful glow with the candles from within, okay? And then that's from, like I said, the Dollar Tree. Just love this little vignette. Looks so fall. And then down here, I really do like that little bucket I made. And this is just another simple way to style a lantern. You don't have to have a lot of fuss. I think it's just adorable. All right. And I almost forgot. Here are my napkins and these napkin rings I got at Target this year by Hearth and Hand. And I think they just really coordinate nicely with this table setting. So festive looking. I cannot believe how I almost forgot that. Napkins really make a difference. You just saw that right there, okay? So if you're sitting here, oh, I told you I'd show you. Okay, right up here, my light goes. That is just a leaf garland that has little pumpkins and gourds on it. And I picked that up at Big Lots quite a long time ago. It was about 3 years ago. But I love how it looks. It just gives you such a fall vibe. Let me step back and let you see. Sorry about the ring light. And that is just our festive little area. Then if you look straight ahead, that's my server that I decorated for fall. And then you can see into the kitchen. It's just a wonderful fall little world. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi. Well, here's little Maggie. She was on the couch with Mama. And say they have their blankets and they are cozy. Say I grumbled at Mama just a little bit. I'll let you go back to your Mama. Yes, I'm gonna let you go back to Mama. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you tomorrow for 2 videos. You're going to get the Dollar Tree haul first, and then my planner video. So everyone's been looking so forward to it. So this will be my second planner video. We'll actually be doing a spread, and I am beyond excited. So now I will show you how this looks with the lights turned off. I think you'll get a better feel for that little cloche over there. So until next time, say bye guys, bye-bye.